The food you eat for breakfast is either fueling your brain or quietly destroying it. Most people are doing the second one. Protein at breakfast changes your entire day. It stabilizes blood sugar from the first meal, keeps dopamine precursors available for hours, and prevents the mid-morning energy drop most people think is just normal. Swap the cereals and pastries for eggs or Greek yogurt and notice what happens to your focus by 11 a.m. If you want to go further on this, our free Madit Spirit AI in the bio gives you unlimited personalized guidance on diet and biohacking.